I've been waiting for this emote to come back into the shop for a couple months now.
Dude, that is funny.
It's fun as shit in Delulu. You can get like 20, 30 people on a train in Delulu. Come on, Mel.
Are you down the stairs already?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Get on it.
I am recording. I decided to when you mentioned the train.
Nice.
Because I thought it'd be funny.
Your dog just sitting here chilling.
And my little mothy running around. He's so cute.
Do you approve of my dog's name?
What is it?
What's your dog's name?
Anthrax.
Yes,
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
very much.
It was Tiffany, but she said that's basic white girl. And I said, never mind.
It was Barbie, preppy Barbie.
You know what my dog's
It's
name
like
was?
What?
what?
Dog.
Dog.
Dog, come here.
It's like this is my dog Tiffany.
I named my
That's what
little
that
banana
reminded me of.
Cooper.
Look, mine's Mothy, because it's a moth.
Monty.
Very original.
Lame. I'm just kidding.
Chest.
Oh, okay. So circle. We gotta go through. We gotta go. We gotta bust a right through here.
Oh, okay.
I had a burp, excuse me.
My God.
Oh, you're
Could
good.
you
We
imagine?
burp like crazy.
That shit looks like a fucking nuke that just went off over there, man.
Yup. Oh,
It's a bot. It's a bot. Kill it.
I got shot at.
that is a person?
No, they're bots. All right, back on the train.
Oh, nope, one more person. Oop, I would like to have that. Thank you. I have a 5 gun.
Nice. Oh, Jesus. What is going on? Okay, give it a second. Let him start first, and then wait, and then go. Now go.
I
Try
don't know
that.
what the
Maybe.
fuck was going on. It just wouldn't do it.
There you go. I think it was just glitching a little bit.
Yeah, it was
Oh,
started too
chapter
soon.
finale.
Yeah, in 10 days.
I'm still being watched. I wish we could emote while doing this as well.
Right? This is fucking crazy.
I mean, it's a nice way to travel. I don't have to do
Yeah.
anything.
Yeah.
Bro, for real, I'm sitting here rolling a cone right now.
Mhm. I'm also keeping an eye behind us and wherever I see the shooting and stuff, so I just kind of look around.
I gotta find my grinder. Okay, there's shooting happening
Mhm.
all
Straight
around
to it.
us.
Oh, a storm's falling right there. Shit, imagine being on this while in a storm.
Oh my God. Yeah.
I'll be like, what? Nope, I'm not risking it. See if you can dodge all the fucking donuts coming down. You just see the shadow of doom coming on you.
Not dude coming on you. Ooh.
Oh no. It's gonna be a very creamy donut.
Oh my god. Bavarian cream, dog.
It's kind of hard
Dude,
to breathe.
She tells me all the time she has guys refuse to eat those donuts because that's what it looks like that. And I'm like, dude, that's y'all are dumb.
Wow, that's fucking stupid.
That shit is delicious.
Tres
Oh
leches.
god. Oh, I love Trace Ledgers, yeah. Fuck.
Oh,
Someone shooting?
oh,
No.
oh, they're in there.
If you shoot
Oh,
us,
behind us.
I'll turn around and fucking kill you, bitch.
Oh,
Yay, let's
oh,
go!
let's
Yay!
go!
We died!
Let's go!
That's so funny. Oh,
Alright. So, oh shit. Oh shit, no, no, no. That's different. Kill him. Sorry, man, I had to do it to you, bro.
isn't that our friend?
No.
He's not shooting it at me.
I need a
Oh
better
shit.
AR.
Saw that.
I love this thing. I love this thing. Don't! 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 I kind of feel bad, but we could get
Oh
banned for
shit.
teaming. She's cracked. Come with me. Come with me. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Oh, I didn't see you.
Oh.
Let's get out of here. We just roll up on you and fucking destroy you.
Unless you're nice. Hey, we can't get banned for teaming. They can't prosecute us for being pacifists.
No.
I mean, we were
Because
only
we
pacifists
turned
with one person.
we
Then we
turned
shot
on
him.
that team with that guy, and that could get us all 3 bans. So
Oh,
that's why I
I mean,
just
we
killed
were
him.
friendly with that one guy, but the other ones were dicks.
we killed
Yeah,
him,
but
right?
it's okay. It's okay if you're just being friendly. But as soon as you start shooting another team with another team, yeah, that's where it's a big no.
Yeah, I mean, everybody died anyway, so.
Yeah, except for us. Bitches. Fuck. I know. I don't
Your
even know
dog
how
is
long
like
it's gonna
between me and you. And it's like he's stuck there. Oh, he got. Oh, there you go. Oh, no, he got.
Then your little fuzzy dude. That's your guy,
Oh, now
right?
your dog is like running under me. That's kind of weird. Dog, you were doing so well last time.
I see it.
Let me see. Oh, it's because he's like falling right there. Here.
Look at this dude.
My joint is rolled.
Yeah,
Nope,
I knew
dick.
it. You were gonna be a dick. Yeah.
Oh, I'm down. Shit.
Bitch,
Why
how
is
the
it?
fuck?
Hey,
Like
let's
fuck that bitch.
go.
They don't know who I am, bro. They fucking with the wrong one. I double res. And they all 3 had crowns, so
Bet.
I'll pick them bitches up.
I'm noticing. Oh yeah, bro.
Ooh, he's attacking.
They said, how did he fucking kill me, man? I'm a fucking streamer, dude. I do this shit every day, bro.
Come on, bro. Let me res.
What do you mean? What? Res what?
My health.
Oh, okay.
These Homer dudes kept annoying me.
Hey.
I
Good
need help.
morning, sexy. Mel said, hey.
Oh, I'm
Oh
turning
yeah.
My
around.
baby. My baby.
Footsteps on me.
I know, I heard them.
Sorry, didn't mean to blow your back like that. Blow your back out like that.
Bro, come on, dude.
Crack the pink haired one.
Good.
You're not getting away this time. 1 second, honey. Like I said,
Oh,
you're
cool.
not
Nice.
getting away this time, bitch! Let's fucking go! Ah!
And it was a crown one because we got those crowns. Hey.
Dude, and I had that clipped.
Love you, love you.
Back up, babies. Back up, honeys. You need help? Oh, coffee.
Yes! I got one of the hats for Moppy. I'm gonna put it on. Hold on. Leopard,
Oh my
Petsies.
god, that's actually really fucking good. My wife makes some
Oh
delicious
my
coffee.
god, that's wonderful. Look at the hat on my moth. That is the cutest shit ever.
Oh my god.
Tell me that ain't cute, bro.
Not the goth moth.
Yeah.
The goth moth.
He's
I
so
like that.
cute. He's so cute. His name is Moppy.
Yeah, see my little nanner dog.
Yeah, little banana.